Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Second go around and making a video, and it's actually working this time. Look at that trunk, huh? In really good shape, actually. And this interior was, those are original floor mats. And it, a pristine dashboard. There's the headliner. I don't see any issues with that, okay? Pretty cool. That's pretty amazing, really.
These hubcaps are very rare.
Yes, they are. A friend of mine was telling me.
These are called the turbine.
Yeah, he was telling me about all about those.
Right now, these can probably sell for at least $2,000.
That's right. That's exactly what he said. So there's the old nail head V8, originally 325 horsepower, 401 cubic inches. Here we go, okay. Pretty good. We found the spots where there's some issue with the paint. I know where they're at. Several up there on the hood, okay.
The hood is your main.
Yeah, I see it.
Only spots. You got one little one here.
Yeah, I got you.
And then you got this little thing here.
Yeah, these are pretty common here.
They're always right there. And I got one little bubble on the next common spot.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, I saw that a minute ago. Very cool.
And other than that, the body's the paint job on the body. The hood's not so good. There's a little some of this stuff here.
I had a 63
But
Super
we pay
Sport.